This is Chris and Christy Powers of Coldwell Banker St. Croix Realty. Here's our listing at 18 of 42 Eliza's Retreat.
Hey, come on in. Let me show you this great house. Let's start in the kitchen. There's a nice big sink, Samsung appliances, a very nice island for working or entertaining. People can sit on the other side. Then there's a
great room. There's an AC mini split, and those are hurricane impact doors that go out into the backyard. There's plenty of room here for you to relax with your family or friends, or sit by yourself and watch TV. Ahead and to the left are two closets. The left one is storage, and the right one has a combination washer and dryer. Here's the hallway, and to the left is the bathroom with a nice tub. And across the hall is the first bedroom. This has windows to the backyard and an AC window unit. Those are inset shelves for storage. And here's the second bedroom. This one has a window to the backyard and another one to the side of the house. Across the hallway is the main bedroom. This is a larger room and has a larger closet. And of course, an ensuite bathroom. And here it is. This one has a walk-in shower. Let's go back down the hallway to the great room again. This house was remodeled in December of 2021, and it would be a wonderful house to create your home.